In the south cone of Latin America, between Argentina and Brazil, is located Uruguay, a country of 3.5 million inhabitants and a size of 176,000 kilometers square. Why invest in Uruguay? This little country, but bigger than Switzerland and Luxembourg, is remarkable for its political and social stability and present a favorable business climate for foreign investors. Uruguay has a strategic location among the MERCOSUR cities with the highest GDP. Foreign investors are being attracted for that strategic location and also for its promotional regimes of free port, free zone, industrial parks, investment law, public and private partnership law. Its trade openness and tax regimes that promote investment make Uruguay an eligible country as a regional hub for companies that came to settle in South America. The country has a favorable business climate. Reasons why several multinational companies focus in Uruguay to establish their production or assembling centers or their shared service center for the Latin America branches. Its macroeconomic indicators have notoriously improved in the past 5 years. The GDP for the last year growed over 4.4%, and the expectation for 2014 will be around 4%. The unemployment for the last year was 6.5%, and the expectation for 2014 will be to reduce that indicator. The inflation for 2013 arose 8.5% and is one of the indicators under continuous control by the authorities in order to avoid its impact on the economy. The measure of country risk shows a decreasing indicator, which means that the country is more attractive and stable to invest in. In the past 3 years, the foreign direct investment grew to a record of $2,700 million. The 3 most important agencies qualify the Uruguayan debt with investment grade and improvement. Uruguay has signed several agreements and treaties with other countries that improved commercial conditions. With reference to promotion and reciprocal protection of investments, Uruguay has at the moment 32 agreements and conventions. Also, there are ongoing 17 treaties to avoid double taxation with respect to taxes on income and on capital. To increase investments and establishment of companies in the country, there are several promotional regimes by law that facilitate conditions for local and foreign entrepreneurs. The regulatory framework encourages investors. Among them, the Investment Promotion Law issued in 1998 gives tax exemptions for new investment projects in the country. Applying to the Investment Promotion Law, new projects can obtain tax exemptions of income tax, equity tax, import tax, and a special credit refund of VAT. To obtain tax exemptions, the new project has to accomplish with a matrix of objectives and indicators, and a result of that it obtain and score that allow an amount of exemptions and a due date to use it. In the last year, 2013, the investment promoted under the Investment Promotion Law regime arose to a record of $2,900 million. Finally, if you are a businessman and are looking to invest in Latin America and your focus is the South Cone, why invest in Uruguay? Uruguay has a strategic location between Argentina and Brazil and is one of the most stable countries in the region. Its economy shows positive indicators and investment promotions regimes that generate a favorable business climate and conditions to eradicate investments.